Hello guys, it's Yuki from City Shop. My posting is the City Shop. Posting is a good look here. You can try this on full review for this like sweet dark high QS strawberries appears here. Yeah, you can try this shoes made with the new materials here. And the red dog is refreshing size and French color is snake here. The upper part is white and the Chinese other side color is little toes and the Nike shoes like the leaf with light green colors and the deep green colors. Yeah, underneath is strawberries, so funny logos here. Yeah, stitching parts. Yeah, and China side and the blue parts. Yeah, every angle and every side is very refreshing. Yeah, pipeline is used and you can check more details on my website here. Pipeline is used, stay on my YouTube channel here and stay on my website. Please guys.